Ang pagpaplano para sa future ay mahalaga para siguradong alagaan ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. While wills have been the traditional choice, trusts offer a versatile alternative in estate planning. Ang trust ay isang legal na setup kung saan ang isang tao, ang trustor, ay nililipat ang assets sa isang trustee. This method provides control, flexibility, and potential tax advantages. Unlike wills, which require a probate, a potentially lengthy and costly court process, trust can facilitate smoother asset distribution. In the Philippine case of Goyanco Jr. versus UCTV, the court highlighted the importance of clear trust intention to ensure proper asset management and distribution. Establishing a trust allows for tailored provisions such as specifying when and how beneficiaries receive assets, ensuring your wishes are honored. Consulting legal professionals when establishing a trust ensures your intentions are accurately and legally documented. Secure your legacy para sa mga susunod na henerasyon.